Hello, welcome to another video, another vlog. Few days in my life on this channel. We're gonna have a little bit of a weekend vlog. We'll see how much I record though. I have had a little bit of a cold. I'm still slightly recovering, but it wasn't like big cold. I had sore throat, a little bit stuffed in the nose and the fever. And we've had a very much blizzard kind of weather. Hang on. Alright, there we go. But yeah, we've had a blizzard. We've actually had a SOS warning thing to not go out if not necessary. So it's been a lot of snow, a lot of wind, and I guess in a way keeping me even more coped up inside to not go out. But we're gonna go out today. We got the message this morning that it's still a lot of snow, but it's okay to still advise to stay inside if you don't have to. But I have a package in town, so I need to go and get that. And I thought it is Friday, the 9th of January, and I would like to get something a little bit more fun to eat. I have pasta, and I made a big bowl that it's taking me a while to eat, partly because, yeah, no appetite. But yeah, I would like to have something a little bit more fun. So we're gonna go to town, pick up a package, get a little bit of groceries, and come back home. And we'll see. I will try to do something with you guys, even though we are to be inside most due to the weather. But we will figure something out. And I'm also a little bit cold. But let's go out for now at least. Go and catch a bus. Hopefully they are still running. Well, we start with that. And we will see what the rest of this week has in store for. Welcome to another video. Stick around and yeah, we'll see what this week has in store for us, okay? See what we get up to. Let's go out. Let's go out. There it is. Som beställt mellandagsreva kanske.
Ja, det är med.
Tack så mycket. Ha en bra dag. Eller trevlig helg kanske man säger. So back home, it's almost 1 p.m. I still have received a letter from, what do you say? The hospital. But it's kind of, the one I went to the psychiatrist is the same one, but also that, let's hope it is for getting medication. But yeah, I got a few things. I got snacks as well, and treats for the cats. But I think Shiro is eating the plastic of the bread. I'm gonna put everything up on the table and I will show you a little bit quickly what we got and before I put it in the fridge. So let's do that. So this is basically what we got. And he's cleaning the index. This was the package I picked up. I'm not gonna show you because it's underwear. Don't need to see that, but they had sale and I needed a new one. So either way, so yeah, that's that. We got some Greek farm's bread, I guess. It's a little bit more fiber in it, and it's very good to roast it. I got some frozen potatoes. I got some mushrooms. I got treats for the cats. I got treat for the weekend. Half price on some saffron cookies, I think it was. 2 Red Bulls. This is strawberry flavor. No, apricot and strawberry flavor. And this one is this the raspberry? Yes, raspberry. And then got some protein yogurt and some kvarg. I guess that's kind of like a protein yogurt as well. And then a protein milk shake kind of thing. Because I've been sick and I have not had a good amount of appetite and I wanted something simple. I don't really feel like eating that much right now. So I thought that something like this would be good. And hopefully I would like to make a soup. So yeah, but this is what I got. Now I need to put it away, and we'll see what the rest of this day has in store for us. Do you want a treat? Do you want that one? Or do you want a creamy? Should we give you creamies? He's like, anything is good. This is human treat. I'm mad. Alright, I thought we were going to open and see what they want. Is it a bill or is it a call? What is it called? Invitation to go to something with my diagnosis. It's actually a new appointment. Alright, on the 10th of February. Damn, well, it's not anytime soon. It's like 3 weeks away. But yeah, 10th of February at 1 p.m. I got a new, with a physiotherapist? Therapist? Alright. Well, yeah. I got an invitation. Oh, what's this? Oh, there is a thing for me to fill in. Something else I want to take up. Okay, so there's like a lot of questions here. I guess I should just go through this and think about if there's something I want to bring up. So I have actually something to bring up during the conversation, during the meeting on the 10th of February. Oh well, that's that. 10th of February, I need to, well, wait, my phone, the other phone. And no, I have not done anything. I have not colored my hair again, but it has kind of, the pink from here has gone out a little bit, and the purple red has kind of gone a little bit more to the blue side from showering. So I haven't done anything, but it has, yeah, it looks different. I'm gonna add to my calendar. This is my thing to remember, because remembering on my own, it's a hard goal on me. So I use my calendar a lot for appointments and stuff. So I usually put in the calendar, and then I have a notification the day before to remind me that, hey, you got something tomorrow. And then I have also an alarm in the calendar set that will go like an hour before I'm supposed to be at the appointment or whatever I got booked, just so that I get out. Don't miss it. It has helped me a lot. And this I've been doing for a long time, because I was very bad with time, or I am very bad with time, but calendars and put things on timers, it's a good tool. All right, 10th of February, notice an hour before, and notice again the day before. All right, now it's in my calendar. Yay, 10th of February. Right? Cool. I got that settled. Now I'm gonna let the cats a treat. They're gonna get a little creamy. I don't know if you know what that is, but it's like a soft treat, I guess. Like a little sauce. Well, it's creamy. I usually put it on a little bowl and I split it up with them so they get somewhat even. Otherwise, if I just press it out, I have no idea who get what. Because they all want it. Treat, treat, treat. It's a mess. Alright, let's get a little treat for them. Shall we? Vill ni ha fisk eller kyckling? Fisk? Kyckling? We have two. Which one do you want? Yeah, you choose. Chicken or fish? That one. Or that one. That one. Alright. Men hörru du, vad gör du i skåpet? Anyways, cheery cheers. This one, I think, is very nice with this. So this is what it looks like. Dreamy, creamy. I think they call Temptation when I've seen it on English sites or stores. The Amazon. Or if it was it US? Either way, that said Temptations. But yeah, it's like a little tube. A creamy substance. I'll show you. Jump in very much wants it. I wonder if I should get my tripod, because right now you're standing on my microwave. You want this? Oh, yes, please. You can't see it. He's so cute. How's that? Oh, go attack. I'll put it up. Hang on. Whoop. Oj, du fick på näsan. Alright, let's see. Let's do something like that. And do that. Ah. Here you go. Yeah. Shoot. Oh, it's already done. It was good, right? Yeah, good stuff. All right. I'm probably going to eat yogurt for lunch. I'm considering maybe I should do a stream today. I'm in between. Like, I haven't streamed in over a month. I think I streamed in November last time. And I'm a little bit, do I really want to play something? Or do I want to sit and watch an anime? I haven't watched anime when I've been with my mom. So I haven't been watching anything like that for a few weeks either. So, and I still have a little bit of a cold. Like, I felt going out. But we'll see what we do. But the tree is still up. I'm gonna take that down probably next weekend. Take away the Christmas stuff. We got some Twitch going on here. Watching.
Look at that handsome guy come in.
It's Pete and C-Dog. And they are in a bar in Tokyo. Having fun. Muted that a little bit. We'll see. If I get the fills, maybe I will jump in on a stream, or if I will just hang out in people's stream, because there is usually a few people that goes live during Fridays. So maybe I will hang out in people's stream instead of streaming myself. But we'll see what I do. We'll see what I do. Now I want to have something hot to drink, and we'll see what I do next. Stick around, and you might find out, or if that is tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see what we get up to. But bye for now. Hello. So it's actually another day. Yes, I have the same hoodie, but I am gonna go out, and this is my thickest hoodie I have. It's minus 11 Celsius and it's snowing, and yeah, I'm going to go and pick up a package. I got a notification that I have a package to pick up, so we're gonna go and do that, and we'll do a little unboxing package from Temu. They have a lot of fun stuff there, so yeah, let's first go and pick up the package, and we'll see what we go from there. But let's go out. I'm gonna dress up a little bit more. I need a jacket and shoes, but let's go out. Okay, so I'm back home. The cats are tipped out my bag with stuff. Okay. I also stopped by the ICA supermarket here in Sweden. But yeah, I picked up the package. We will have a haul of that. And I felt, hang on. And I went to the store as well, and I decided to go a little nuts. If I want a snack during the week, chili nuts. It's pea nuts with chili on it. Chili coat. Very, very nice to have. The chili and the coating is probably not that good, but it's okay snack to have during if you want something. And I also found a little bit on the defense of it. I should stop. I'm sorry. But yeah, it's a vitamin defense drink with a lot of vitamins like C vitamin, D vitamin, zinc. But this, I have never seen it in this size before. Like, usually when you buy this, it's on 500 milliliter. And this one is, hang on, that was not the size there. 1.1 liter. Yeah, we're gonna defend ourselves for sure with this one. Other than that, I also got some burgers, some plant vegan burgers. I just thought that I wanted to have something else. I've had pasta I made a big pot a few days ago, and I've just been eating that mince pasta for quite some time. And I thought I have a lot of potatoes, and I have frozen fries potatoes as well. So I'm like, I can either make these and spice them up as if I was making beefs and make a sauce and have potatoes, or I can do like you're probably supposed to do, a burger. with bread. I have toast that I can use as the burger bun. So we're going with that. I'm gonna put this away, and I guess we should open the Temu pack. See you in a bit. Alrighty, right. Let's sit down a little bit. Let's see if we can. Naomi wants to open the package as well, it seems.
You want to open it too?
Maybe I should have gotten the scissor, but. What are you? This is cat toys, yes. Right. Was it a cat toy? Because I'm pretty sure I did not order this. But this is gonna be, whoops, fun. Alright, cool. Yeah, cat toy. Balls and stuff. Alright, we will look at that with the cats. And this, I'm pretty sure, is, I ordered shopping bags. I guess this is one of them. I'll put this away for now. And then I got some, like, what's the word I'm looking for? Coaster, that's the word. This is coasters with a very cute little theme on them. I thought they were so fun. So I'm scaring you of paintings, and they put cats on it. Yeah, I thought this was brilliant. Alright, that's one thing. We got some things for you too. And this is okay. Didn't I order two? Yeah, I did. Wow, these were big. I thought they were going to be this size. Ooh. Well, this is cat toys. It's supposed to be catnip toys. Question is, oh, inte stå på den. Tack. Oj. Well, yeah, this is for the cats. Hopefully I can save that for later, so I can flip the screen and I can show you. And this is supposed to be a little rose quartz, a little stone to have in your pocket. And rose quartz is a stone that is associated with love and like to be kind to yourself, to have a little bit more softness. And it says, everything I want wants me more. Can we get the text? Anyways, like, I have big visions, big dreams, and I thought that this was a cute thing to have, like, as a reminder to myself, like, the things I want is reachable, and as long as I keep fighting, keep going for it, eventually I will get there. Yeah, not give up, I guess. And then we have, wait. Oh, that's what I did. Alright, cool. These are cute. Is there anything else? I need to double check that I have everything from this order as well. I know that one thing is not in here from that order because I got a message that that would be sent in a different package. That there will be two packages of this one. But yeah, we got some spoons with a little cat paw hole. I thought that these, it said that these were for baking and to make like the, what's it called? Sugar cake? Cookies? To make a little kitty cat. But I thought that these would be perfect for tea. As you, like when you have the tea with the little bags that the water could go through. Right? I thought they were so cute. And then we got two tote bags. These are actually to be gifts, so I'm not gonna open them up too much. So we can then open this one. I didn't remember. Oh, that's what it is. This is not a tote bag. This is the cat toy. I ordered, it was like a mat, and there's a bowl to go underneath inside it, and I guess that is this. It's like, all right, yeah. I will unpack this and I will put it up. And we can try it out with the cats. And with these as well. But I'm just gonna open one of them, even though they are three. Let's take from this one. I can take the red one. I thought I got one. Oh, right. The bowls. I ordered. You will see that in another. Well, maybe I should just say that. It is ceramic food trays that had a little bit of hill. No, what did you say? Leverage. So it comes up a little bit. I thought that would probably be good for the cats to eat a little bit higher up, not scrunch down every time they want to eat. That's the plan at least. So it seems like everything. So it's supposed to look like that, like, and the toys are going to go around inside of here. It's the plan at least. We'll see how it works, but I will test it out with you and see if the cats enjoys it. Drappin is playing with something. Yeah. Right. I need some lunch. I haven't had breakfast and it's almost 12. So I think, oh, right. We could show, can I show them? Okay, so these are the plates that I've ordered that's coming as well. That is coming in another package. All right, we'll see what I do first. If I play with the cats or if we do lunch first.
Dodie.
I dropped the stove. It didn't break, did you? That would have been very bad. I thought it was broken. It didn't break off, but that is. It's okay. It's okay. Let's put it back in here. Yeah. We'll see what we record next.